So I'm Sergeant Niran from the Marine Division, and we are here on this incident scene here where a Chinese national, Jamaican citizen, would have lost his life whilst fishing. He would have gone fishing with friends and family, and the rains came and he packed up his things, put in his car, and whilst making a U-turn, it went over to the right side of the bridge where we are standing now. He is identified as Jin Wang Wang, age 62 years old, businessman of 18 Hopefield Avenue, Kingston 6. Now, his family members were here and saddened by the occasion. We would have pulled our resources from Marine Headquarters, JDF Coast Guard, Fire and Rescue, JFB, and we would have gotten assistance from professional divers and other local fishermen from the area. As we see here now, the wreckage has been removed by Century Wrecking, and the body was retrieved by the divers and handed over to Tranquility for further processing. We have our accident reconstruction, taking pictures and doing measurements on the scene, as also other detectives are here. So it's unfortunate again, but I would advise persons not to fish on this bridge. It is a restricted area. No one is allowed up here. You come at your own risk. There are rules, fishing gears, life vests. These are not being adhered to by persons who fish. So you might want to fish casually, but bear in mind the safety measures, or you will have to suffer the consequences.